Hi there, students. A connoisseur. Okay, a connoisseur is somebody who has a good judge of taste. They're an expert in their field, and they know the difference between very good and the best. Normally we use this word connoisseur for either food and drink, things that taste, or for arts, for music, ballet, pictures, things like that. A connoisseur knows all about his specific subject. And this word connoisseur, as I said, either the arts or things that have a taste, things that have a sensation. So, for example, a wine connoisseur. Okay, this is somebody who knows lots about wine, and they know the difference between different wines. You could give them perhaps a glass of wine without telling them what they was, and they will probably identify it. A connoisseur in art can look at a picture and know who it has been painted by. Okay, so a connoisseur is an expert, but an expert normally in taste, either visual, to do with the physical taste of something, the smell. He's a connoisseur in perfumes. Okay, you can use this word connoisseur with other things, but it's most commonly with things to do with sensory perception. He's a connoisseur of classic cars. Okay, he knows all about them and he knows all of the small details. Yeah? Maybe you are a connoisseur of the English language. Both of these you could say, but it's much more common to use this word connoisseur. He's a connoisseur of Cuban cigars. He's a connoisseur of chocolate or of cacao. Yeah, he tastes the cacao and he knows that it comes from Colombia, for example. Okay, so a connoisseur is an expert. Let's see, this word comes from French. In French we have a verb connaître, meaning to know, to understand. Okay, and that's what the idea of it. You could have a noun, connoisseurship, yeah? Okay, so connoisseurship is the noun, a connoisseur is the place. Now, you'll probably ask about formality. Well, this word sounds really formal, but I really don't think it is. I think I'd probably give it something like a 5.5 in formality. You could definitely use the word connoisseur in an informal conversation, and you could definitely use it in a really formal essay. So it's a good word to use anywhere. Yeah, connoisseur, an expert, but particularly in flavors, in how things look. Yeah, he's a connoisseur in interior design, because this interior design is a visual thing. A connoisseur in art. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. What are you a connoisseur in?